So guys, yan Ginogs and karong adlaw guys, no? Ang ato episode karon guys is maghimutag kariton. So kuyaw kay atong kariton guys o tanawa lang niyo kung saan atong batong kariton. Let's go. So guys, almost done. So ang kulang is kanina lang kaw or kanang gunitanan handle niya.
Meanwhile,
Warrior kayo guys.